Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful pattern. I made a cowl, this pattern, and you can wear it on your neck. Twice time you can cover your neck. This is 20 centimeter width and 1 meter 30 centimeter length. You of course you can make a rectangle shawl, big shawl, or you can use it as like me, or you can make a scarf. It's your choice. This is only one row repeating and so simple pattern. You can do that easily and so fast crocheting. I use here my multicolor yarn size 4, and I use 5mm hook with this yarn. Catania Shine Mayer, I remembered this label because I lost its label and I couldn't say which yarn, this beautiful yarn. This is multicolor and you can see that every color looking different but so beautiful. I hope you will try. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your kind, beautiful comments. Thanks a lot again. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple one row repeat cowl scarf shawl pattern. Let's start to crochet. We will start our pattern multiples of 5 plus 3. Of course, you can use this pattern not only cowl, shawl or scarf. You can make a vest or sweaters with that pattern. I think it will be beautiful. Or maybe using paper yarn and make a bag. This pattern so suitable for that. First of all, we will make slip knot. Then make our chains not so tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I show a sample for you. So, which width you want? You will add 5 per 5. Okay. Then add here 3 more chains. Yarn over, skip 3 and insert into the fourth one. Grab your yarn. You have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Count as your first half double. This is second. Then make half double crochet in every each stitch. So totally I will have at the end 21 half double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through all together. I complete and turn to you. I complete my half doubles. Now chain 1 and turn my work. Knot count and insert into the same stitch and make single crochet. Then yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4 stitch, insert into the fifth one, grab my yarn and lose it. 1. Yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, lose it. 2. Yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, lose it. 3. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and lose it. 4 times I pull through, I take my, grab my yarn. Okay. Now pull through 2, then pull through 3, then pull through 3 and pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert into the first, here you can see that little space. Grab my yarn and join with a single. Then insert into the next little space. Make single crochet. Insert into the next little space. Your pull through space here. Okay. Single crochet. And here take the last 2 yarns like that. Make last single crochet. Then skip here 1, 2, 3, 4, insert into the fifth one, join with a single crochet. Lose my yarn again, yarn over, insert into the same, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert into the first little space here. Join with a single crochet. Next little space I insert and make single crochet. The third little space make single crochet. Then take the last 2 yarns like that, join with a single crochet. Make here single crochet. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, skip, insert into the fifth one, join with a single crochet. Do the same thing, yarn over, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3. 1, 2, 3 chains, insert here, make single crochet. Next, the second single crochet. This is the third single crochet, and take these 2 yarns, make your fourth single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, skip, insert into the last stitch and finish your row with single crochet here like that. Chain 1 and turn your work. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch again, grab your yarn and do the same thing, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3 and pull through 3. 1, 2, 3 chains, make single crochet, 1, next one, 2, next one, 3 and the last one, the fourth one. Take these 2 yarns here. I make 4 single crochet but start with chain 3. Okay, then come to previous rows here, a little hole, chain 3 hole, insert here and join with a single crochet. Lose your loop again and do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3. 1, 2, 3 chains and prepare the next row's places. Insert here, first pull through space, 1 single, next one the second single, next one the third single, and here the last one the fourth single. Take these here, next chain 3 hole and join with a single crochet. Lose it, yarn over, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 1 single, the second single, the third single and the last single here, and join it to this chain 3 hole previous rows, join with a single crochet. One more time, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3 and pull through 3. 1, 2, 3 chains, insert into the first, this is the second, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one here, and join it to here, first single crochet, as same as the other row. Now you can start again as same as chain 1 and turn your work, lose it and make your puff here. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3 and pull through 3. 1, 2, 3 chains here, 1, here 2, here 3, and this is the fourth one, and join it previous rows single crochet stitch. So you will keep it longer, crochet it longer like that. I will complete it after turn to you how you can join two sides and how you can finish your pattern. I will show you. I complete and turn to you. I crocheted 130 centimeter. I want to put this cowl on my neck twice time. I can wear it. Okay, I will prepare it like that. Now I will finish this row. Now how you can close this? We will join two sides together, you know that. If you want to finish as a shawl, I want to show you first of all this 1, 2, 3 chain for my double crochet. Then this is my fifth stitch, so I add here 4 more, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and turn my work. Totally I have 7 chains, 3 for double, 4 for space. Insert that single crochet hole and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next, join with a single. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next, join with a single. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is last. This is your finishing last row. You will make double crochet or half double crochet as same as on these stitches. Chain 2 and count as your first half double, then add here 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 3, 4. This is the fifth in the stitch. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4 half double crochet in the space, the fifth one in the stitch. We will complete your shawl like that, but we want to make a cowl, so I will here insert my hook, take the starting point, the first row, then I will, this is the right side, you can see that I twist it and put them together, insert into the first, join with a single crochet, then you will make single crochets here for 1, next stitch, 2, next, 3, next, here, 4, and the fifth one, next one, here in the stitch. You will join them. Insert the next one, space, 1, here take a loop, here. You can join it with slip stitch. It's your choice. Here, now in the stitch. You will keep join two sides together like that. Okay, I complete and turn to you. That's it, we join two sides together. Of course, we finish this row, so we have a little spaces this time. You will join, you can wear that like this twisting. I hope you like it. I love this pattern. I hope you like it too, and you will try it. So simple and so fast crocheting. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Again, you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.